Is my body electric for reasons to make a mistake? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love that I'm feeling? What else can make me feel this way?
Hello guys, we're doing some fittings. I don't know if you guys can hear me because my voice is like kind of gone. I hurt my throat, so this is now the after effects. So this is Aiden. She's a dressmaker, she's helping me out. We always have that last minute stuff, but isn't this pretty? You guys are gonna see on Sunday. I'm not gonna tell you why yet. Yeah. I don't wanna open it. I was so embarrassed. Guys, when you do a fitting, shave your we are out trying breakfast. One of your kitties.
Bolts removed. Just like these. Oh yes. This one. On the.
Lekker?
The silence grew so big it pushed a hole straight through the sky. The ground beneath us.
So my voice still sounds horrible, but at least it's a bit better. And I'm gonna do my best to keep it talking very short so that you guys don't get annoyed, because me hearing myself is making me get annoyed with myself, my own voice. Anyway, so I try to do as much research as possible. A lot of people, before you start, a lot of people have said you need to clean the existing towels properly, and the best way is sugar soap. Sugar is sugar soap. I got it at Builder's Warehouse, so I'm gonna do this first. It dissolves oils and breaks down surface contaminants. So my dad gave me this. It is a multi-surface primer. So we have some braai, some prawns and some ribbies. Very lekker. Dankie uncle.
What you are about to see, man, the Lord, man. We thank you. Christ, amen.
Amen.
But all in all, maybe a minute.
Just like an extra minute.
But it's a good tip though. Please cook through. Let's find some milky poisoning or something. Never bad.
Prime pasta. Second nog opblijven voor de best part.
Because Coke is not the best thing. That's why. The world need to know that you have a problem.
On what?
Coke. Good push.
So I'm gonna do this part now. I'm gonna mix this in. I have my little hard bristle brush just to remove any other like residue or something that I might miss. Because before you prep or before you prime, you need to make sure that your prep is done properly. What I've learned already is that I should have done the sugar soap scrub before putting on the masking tape. Learn from me, kids. So my voice is still a little bit like iffy, but I'm at the Cotton On denim event. I don't have lashes on, that's why I feel like my eyes look so like I'm dying. But anyway, we're here at the Cotton On event at Rooftop on 3. I'm telling you, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. We're out here.
The hashtag is new denim, no rules, and don't forget to tag Cotton On.
Food, food, glorious food, wonderful food. Guys, we're talking about Tezos. Do you guys remember Tezos? What did you say it was?
The devil apparently. Or tokens or whatever things names were. Parents lost their minds.
and then people go into the toilet
and
throw it in and flush the train and say those things. What? Pokemon, what?
I don't know. I wasn't part of it. I thought it was absolute shenanigans.
Do you guys remember that? And then you get bang and they say that the Pokemon slapped him across the face. That was one of you?
I wasn't part of it. But so you went into the bathroom, slapped yourself, or just pretended to get slapped. You come out with a mark on your face. Ah, yeah, Pikachu slapped the shit out of me. No, you should be sterilized.
It was always Pikachu now.
It's always Pikachu. You should be sterilized. Never. You are not taking
life seriously.
No, or like you're not productive to humanity.
I'm gonna put my camera away now. I'm feeling very sus.
Gate A7, 1520 boarding.
Views are nice. Have it down there. Yes, girl. My tea gay. Look what our fam sent us. Look at our fam. Dessert.
I like it. I like it a lot. I'm here for the turtle shell.
Yes.
Arms. Oh, these are nice. Giving a little bit of cat eye.
Mmm.
Oh, this is nice.
I think it looks nice.
Is it working?
Wait, to this here?
Yeah, it's a vibe. In the pool. The bitches in the pool. Yo guys, this is a public service announcement. Can you say a service please, Tina? The light is good, guys. Please ensure the hand luggage is safely stowed.
Look at this, guys.
Peppermint nipples, anyone? Check it out. This is the area. Literally. The camera happening. Chugga chugga chug. Welcome to the capital. Shalom. Welcome. From Kilikile. From Kilikile. Welcome. Hi.
The final product. Okay, my battery is flashing, so I'm gonna be very quick. So my kitchen is done. I painted my tiles. It looks so nice. it's like way more open. I feel like it looks more cleaner. So quickly, tips. I used a primer, obviously. I then done a top coat, and then I put like little gloss, like another paint cover with some shine to it, so it's not like so dull and matte. I feel like the shine definitely added something to it. So obviously you can see what you like for your kitchen, and then you can decide if you want to add a shine or not. I just feel like the shine brings it all together. So also another tip, when you're putting on the masking tape, don't be an idiot like me. Because I wanted to make sure nothing spills, I put the masking tape, like I didn't do it right. So when I pulled the masking tape off, I pulled primer with it. But then the second time, because I learned from my mistakes, the second time that I put the masking tape down, I made sure to just do it like right by the edge and to not make it go over. Secondly, try and do it in a week or like on the weekend where you know the sun is out, so it doesn't take so long to dry. Because what I did, I didn't let the first primer coat dry in time, so when I went over it, it kind of like shifted the primer underneath, so be mindful of that. I showed you guys the primer, but this was the top coat. You have to put a top coat on top of your primer just to set everything in. I used this one, it was also white. Then I used this one, which is a high gloss finish. Everything came out stunning. I really like it. Now it's gonna be the cupboards, but listen, I don't have time for that right now, so that's gonna have to be on pause while I figure out my life, and then I'll come back to doing the cupboards. We're either gonna paint it or spray paint it, not sure yet. It was a fun experience. I definitely like doing DIY. It took a while because I done it during work time, like in my lunch and stuff, so I'm not gonna do that again. I'll definitely do something over a weekend when I know I have enough time. If you have any other questions, I don't know, I'm trying to get everything out before the battery dies. If you have any other questions about this painting and about this whole experience, let me know. Drop it in the comment section. I will respond. I'll reply to you guys, and then maybe the question that you ask could help somebody else. Do you know what I mean? Also, my voice is getting a little bit better, so that's amazing. I think that's everything. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, share, all those good things, and I'll see you guys soon. This week I'm going to Durban for a wedding with my Indian family, so definitely stay tuned for that. My husband is coming with. First time he's going to be in Durban with me. He's been to Durban for work stuff, but first time he's going to be with me with the family and things, so I'm excited. I'm going to wear my sari. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for the next vlog. Yeah, bye.